A very good Wednesday morning to everyone out there. Landon here, back in the driver's seat to bring you your latest weather night forecast, courtesy of Ohio Valley Insurance. It's been active throughout the overnight, folks, with scattered shower and storms impacting the Wobbles region. We're seeing the morning round move off to the north and east. It's slicing right across the region here early this morning. Strongest cell located just to the south and east in Bowling Green, points over right near the conjunction of Simpson, Allen, and Warren County. Nothing severe along with this, folks. We don't even have any lightning that's been showing up here recently. So this is going to be moving out of here, opening up the door to some more sunshine and very warm and humid conditions as we work throughout the day. Jumping over and taking a look across the area, we can take a look over the Beechtree News Skycam up in Morgantown. We have got the cloud cover that's got us socked in up there. A few leftover drizzles out there, but nothing too shabby out there early this morning. White Squirrel Weather Nest Cam atop Bowling Green and WKU, showcasing a blanket of cloud cover there as well. Right on the back edge of the rain shower we were just looking at there on radar, but again, we're going to be looking at somewhat of an improvement here as we work throughout the day. Albeit we will stand a conditional chance at maybe a few robust cells appearing this afternoon, but I think that the vast majority of us should be staying rather dry out there given the current setup. I want to jump back over here real quick and showcase our surface setup. We got this deepening low pressure system bowing up towards the Great Lakes and into Canada. We got a secondary low down here near Texas. That's going to plow off to the north and east as we work later into the work week, and that's going to be priming up the atmosphere, not just for the opportunity at a few strong storms this afternoon, but focus is on late Thursday evening through the pre-dawn hours of Friday for a potential setup with more strong and severe storm chances. All right, so let's jump over here and let's get right into it. Temperatures have stayed up throughout the overnight with the cloud cover hanging tough. We are firmly locked in the warm sector of the system with southerly winds continuing to bring in that warm, very moist air here across the area. Temperatures already located anywhere between the mid and upper 70s. We're going to be jolting highs all the way up between the low and mid 80s this afternoon. Some more humidity to go along with it. Not going to feel great in the outdoors with a little bit of that heat coming right into play. As previously mentioned, here's our surface setup. All eyes are focusing on this cold front that's approaching here from the west. It's going to result in the opportunity of more storm chances that are going to be coming our way and up and into our vicinity. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into it and bring you the full breakdown. We worked throughout this morning, folks. We got the initial round of showers that are now trekking just east of the area. Showing up behind this is somewhat of an area of subsidence that's going to allow for partly to mostly sunny skies take over throughout the bulk of the day. There are a few question marks of where we could maybe perhaps get a stray storm or two developing this afternoon. Our atmosphere is going to be jam-packed with energy, but we have some mitigating factors out there that doesn't allow for much confidence in terms of those storms developing. We'll be keeping close eyes on it, but the vast majority of the short-term model guidance just is really having trouble initiating and getting those storms going, again, with the current ingredients that are available in our atmosphere. So very, very low confidence, but if we do get a stray storm or two to develop this afternoon, it could become strong to severe rather quickly. We work throughout the overnight and we get into our Thursday, and all eyes are on this deepening low pressure system across the Great Plains. We're going to work over in this direction, but the time we get into our Thursday evening, this is how the surface setup is going to appear. The secondary low is going to develop here just north and west of the region. It's going to track off to the north and east, bringing that cold front along with it. With deep, warm, moist air streaming in out of the south, we do have higher confidence that some storms could become strong or realize to a conditional severe threat again Thursday evening through early Friday morning is what we're focusing on throughout that time frame. All right, so here's a breakdown for you. Here we were looking at this morning, and as previously mentioning, right around 6 a.m., we got the bulk of the activity now shifting east of the Wobbles community. We look to dry out rather significantly underneath a mix of sun and cloud cover throughout a good chunk of the day. Again, folks, this afternoon, the robust sales continue to fire right along the confluence of the Ohio River right near Indiana and Kentucky and points off to the north and east, with it maintaining no convective initiation across our neck of the woods. So again, confidence isn't very high we're going to see anything today. We work throughout the overnight, throughout our Wednesday. It's going to remain somewhat muggy out there, extraordinarily warm. And then here comes the secondary low and the strong cold front Thursday evening into the wee morning hours of our Friday. Here we are looking right around midnight, rolling into 1 a.m., 2 and 3 a.m. Don't like the time frame that's moving through here with the vast majority of us being asleep, but as we are well aware, Mother Nature doesn't really care. So we'll be keeping eyes on a strong, severe storms. It'll be a possibility here in the Thursday night into Friday morning time frame. It looks like damaging winds will be our primary concern coming along with this, along with a bit of hail. Seems to be the vast majority of what we're going to be dealing with. Now, folks, after we work throughout the remainder of the week, all right, here we are rolling through Friday, and we finally get that cold front east of the area. We're going to open up the door to more sunshine. This area of high pressure is going to bring winds out of the north and west. We're going to be looking at a major cool down for us following suit as we get into that upcoming weekend. All right. One thing I did want to take note of and go ahead and show you all. Here's the severe weather outlook for Thursday night into Friday morning. Wobbles continues to be advertised in a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. Again, damaging straight line winds will be our primary concern with this, and we are focused on roughly 6 p.m. through 3 or 4 p.m. Thursday evening through early on our Friday morning. All right, want to jump over here and showcase what we're looking at in regards to additional rainfall. We could see anything from roughly 1/4 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch before this is all said and done, with the higher rain totals anticipated off to the north and west of the region. Here's a full breakdown of your next 5-day weather forecast for this morning. We got scattered showers, maybe a stray rumble of thunder. Then we're going to open up the door to partly sunny skies. Mid-80s this afternoon. Again, folks, extraordinarily warm and muggy in the great outdoors. Conditional risk at a few robust storms getting going this afternoon. We clear out throughout the overnight, throughout the daylight hours of our Thursday underneath rays of sunshine, with highs right back up into the mid-80s. Widespread showers and storms, some of which could become strong to severe Thursday night into the Friday morning time frame. And look at those drop in temperatures. Behind the cold front, northwest wind suppressing highs on Friday near 70 degrees. Mid-60s for your Saturday. Upper 50s to lower 60s on Sunday. And we'll go on a warming trend underneath sunny skies throughout the early days of next week. That's going to wrap up your Wednesday morning Whether or Not Bowling Green weather forecast presented by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other. Have a blessed